What's up, fellow musicians and everybody else out there? I hope everybody's doing really well during these trying times. Over the past few weeks, I've been going over basic metric modulation with my students. A lot of them understand the concepts, but they have a hard time actually playing it and really getting the feeling of the time versus the groove. A lot of them get the groove, but they don't understand how it fits into the time. So I'm not going to get into details of that right now. What I'm going to do is present a basic play along that you guys can use. If any of you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. And as most of you know, I'm available for online lessons. Also note that we are looking at starting the online conservatory pretty soon with some very cool cats. So stay tuned for that. Without further ado, let's get right into the play along.
All right, so now we're going to do a play along exercise. I'm going to go ahead and count through the exercise the first time through the pattern. It's going to be 4 bars of eighth notes, 4 bars of modulated triplets, just single notes on the kick the whole time. This way, you have to count more on your actual ability rather than just feeling the groove. So this is an instrumental exercise to make sure that you can follow and keep your place while you're playing. So 4 bars each. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 ta 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 3 ta ta 4 ta ta 1 ta 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 3 ta ta 4 ta ta 1 ta ta 2 ta ta 3 ta ta 4 ta ta 1 ta ta 2 ta ta 3 ta ta 4 ta ta 1.
BPM, giggity. Now I'm going to do the same exercise, but we're going to slow it down quite a bit. We're going to drop down to 80. This will, once again, make sure that you're mastering the feeling and the time of the notes, not just the groove. So here we go. 80 BPM, 4 times through. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
ta ta, 3 ta ta, 4 ta ta, 4 ta ta, 2 ta ta, 3 ta ta, 4 ta ta, 1.
BPM. Giggity. All right, so now we're just going to play 1 bar of eighth notes, 1 bar of the metric modulation, just to get used to doing the transitioning. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so that is 1 bar each of eighth notes and then the metric modulation. Alright, this time again, 100 BPM. Alright, so it's 2 times through at 2 bars each, 1 time through, 4 bars each. Then the last time we do 2 bars, and we finish with 4 bars of the modulation. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Giggity. Alright guys, thanks for checking this out.
As most of you know, this is just the most basic foundation of metric modulation. Groupings of threes are one of the easiest ones to start with. However, of course, you can use groupings of fours against threes or any other odd time that you have. And there's a myriad of different combinations you could have. I just use some basic examples right here to show and just get the basic groundwork done for figuring out how to effectively modulate, and then hopefully you guys can take this and then use that and apply it to your actual playing. So it obviously gets a lot more in depth, and I'll be happy to discuss it with anybody. Hit me up for a free 15-minute lesson if you guys want to check out the online lessons and see what they're all about. If you guys like this, I'd love a smash of that like button. If you guys want, subscribe. Make sure to get any of my follow-up videos. You guys take it easy. I'll check you later. Giggity.